Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can install Rosemary font on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display. Following that, click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Then click on Rosemary one and tap on Install at the bottom. When your font is ready, you can tap on Apply next to it or click on the back button twice and click on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!